First of all, thanks for watching my videos. Okay, how you guys doing? You having a good weekend or weekday or good night? Good morning? All right. A couple months ago, I kind of had like a little tear on my vocal cord on the left side here, and right now I can talk. I don't have a plugged nose, but I've had a form of laryngitis, vocal fry, and it's driving me crazy because I talk. I talk and talk. I make videos. I do voiceover stuff. And when your voice is gone, what a bummer. All right. I'm sure it'll come back one day and you can hear me now on my microphone. But yeah, I got a little bit of a strain. So to say I'm bummed out, that's an understatement because I'm on month number 2 dealing with this darn thing. But anyway, thank you for watching my videos, even if it sounds like I have a plugged nose or a cold. Okay. I'm going to do one of these. Throat coat. Okay. How about these at, I think it's a little store called Walmart. They're pretty popular. Okay. And, I love coffee, but I put a lot of stuff in my coffee called creamer. Hazelnut and French vanilla and all these other cool, they even have Girl Scout cookie flavoring, which is dynamite. They even make sugar-free creamer, and that's what I do. I do love salt. That's my biggest vice. But sugar, too. And I had a buddy of mine say, look, if you're going to get older and not exercise and diet properly, try to phase out as much sugar as possible. So that's what I try to do. Now, this is kind of a cherry blend of organic, beautiful tea. Okay? Now, I'm a big fan of tea now because, like I said, I've been drinking coffee a long time. And we have organic coffee with LIVEGOOD. And it's actually very good, plain. And that's a miracle because I tried coffee clear back in the 70s. My parents would have jet black coffee, and I'm like, ew. Then by the time, probably about 1990, I think I had a sip of someone's coffee, and it had like cream and really fantastic stuff in that coffee. And I became a big fan. Most people that live here in Utah with me, when they see me drink coffee, they go, are you going to put coffee in your cream? Because I put usually 75% cream, 25% coffee. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching my videos. And one thing I get asked, if it's not every day, it's every week. And it's not just in LIVEGOOD, because guys, believe it or not, I'm successful in 4 other opportunities online that all complement LIVEGOOD. Okay, which generate traffic, views, commission checks, because I sell education. I show people how to get leads. People join LIVEGOOD and they like to buy the products wholesale. Some of my downline, they actually buy the products and retail it. They sell it out of the trunk of their car or maybe on Amazon. I have one friend that has a small, kind of a boutique gym, okay, and puts LIVEGOOD right on the shelves. Just like, is it Metrex or Metarex? And there's a whole bunch of competition out there. But when it comes to online products with LIVEGOOD, we're a wholesale-based company for $9.95 a month. We're designed to be wholesale. So if you have $9.95 a month, you can enjoy probably anywhere from $30 to $50 per month saving on nutritional products. Now, LIVEGOOD is going to go on the tail of Amazon. Okay, just kind of hold on to that Amazon train and go, you know what? There's value in a membership-based website when there's products, and it could be digital products. It could be something that you can actually grab and open and drink, like my coffee here, all right, that I'm going to be enjoying here after the video. So when it comes to LIVEGOOD, it's already working good. $15 million of sales per month. 1.5 million people are enjoying LIVEGOOD products already. We're in well over 200 countries as I sit here at the middle of October of 2024. So LIVEGOOD's doing well. All you got to do is just invite people. In my case, I bought joincory.com and I forwarded it to the LIVEGOOD capture page, which is just a web page that you can watch a short 6-minute video of our CEO. And then if you want to get more information or you want to join, just put in your name and email address, hit reserve my position, and you can join from the LIVEGOOD email that you're going to receive. And if you still need more information, LiveGood once a day will send you a nice email. Just asking questions, telling you more information about the process or the opportunity, the affiliate side, the product side. Okay? I do very little chit chat, only in video, about all 5 of my incomes. Not just LiveGood, but all the other ones I do. I buy short little domain names and I forward to videos that are already made. Hello, guys. If you have time, click. Thank you. Then after people watch the video, and if they need more information, I don't mind then giving them my time and my opinion and whatever I can help them to make a decision. Because that's what it's all about. People join people. Sure, I'm inviting people to a link and to a business, but at the end of the day, people choose me. It's not an accident that I'm successful in 5 online opportunities. Guys, I've only been doing this a year and a half. I'm not Mr. Affiliate. I'm not Mr. MLM. I'm not that guy. I'm not a network marketing guru. But I've been in the people business most of my life. Okay? Thus, why I tore this. This is the left side. My camera usually shows the opposite. But yeah, the left side, I kind of damaged my vocal cord. It's because I do enjoy talking. Okay? And meeting people online or in person. Okay? So, the trick, what's the magic secret? Is there a voodoo thing? Is there a little doll? All right? Is there an inside group of people around the world that, only 1% of people make money online? And then the other 99% are joining those people, trying to learn what they know. Guys, in my opinion, there is no secret except just make content the best you can every day. Could be a video, could be emailing. Maybe you are good at just handing out simple business cards and thanking people for their time. You'll get good at this. If you're shy, don't worry about it. Don't want to do a video? Don't worry. Some of the most successful people in LiveGood, you will not find a video online. They're good at just doing what I do. Get a nice little domain name, get some business cards, and just invite people to watch something. And then thank them for their time. They'll thank you, or they'll just delete your message. They're on their way, and you're on your way. No more old school knock, knock, knock. Hi, can I burden you by explaining something to join? And then you zone out, you pretend you're interested, and then it's not a good experience. That's why I don't like network marketing or affiliate marketing, and I sure in the hell can't stand MLM. But our company pays similar. There's a benefit with our pay plan, and I want you to look into it. But first, joincory.com. That's all you got to do, okay? And if you join my team, I'm going to make everything as easy as possible. I show you exactly what I do, how much it costs, and I try to make it fun. Because if it's not fun and entertaining, you will not do this business. I know myself, and I know that if I'm not entertained and if it's boring, I will zone out and just go do other ways of income, but it won't be online. Because if it's boring, I'd rather watch Netflix and play solitaire. But you have to deal with the old mind, okay? And I'll tell you what, if your mind is having a good time and you start making money, I'll be darned, you'll start posting and making content every day. I just know it. I really do believe that, okay? So guys, thanks for your time. Looks like I'm at about 9 minutes now. joincory.com. Please just click that link and watch the short video and make a decision. And I don't mind, guys, if you need to get a hold of me, okay? I'm not shy. I just have a little weird voice because of this little thing here. It's like a guitar string, but I think it's called a vocal cord. I just need new cords. I wish LiveGood had wholesale vocal cords. I'd buy like 4 or 5 and have a couple backup ones. I'd just change this vocal cord live on camera and then sing like Freddie of Queen. Wouldn't that be cool? So have a good day. And thanks for subscribing and watching my YouTube channel and my Facebook page as well. Just search Cory Draper. You'll find me. There's no one else on Facebook like me. Plus, I have the big, giant forehead picture you can't miss. Okay, take care, guys. We'll see you soon.